Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You're starting inside an Office app. Open Word or Outlook and go straight to File, then Account. Once there, click Manage Account to jump to your Microsoft account page. This is faster than hunting through settings. Make sure you can receive a code on your phone or secondary email. You'll need that to verify identity. With verification ready, proceed to the Security section. That's the entry point for changing the password and keeping Office signed in across devices. Once in Security, choose Password Security or the Update Password link to begin. You'll be prompted for multi-factor verification. Use the text code, email link, or Authenticator app. This step prevents unauthorized changes. After verification, enter your current password, then create a new one using upper/lowercase, digits, and symbols. Make it unique from other accounts. Confirm the new password by typing it again. Then save changes, after saving the new password, sign out of Office on each device and sign back in to refresh cached credentials. This prevents sync errors. Make sure to update stored passwords in Outlook profiles, mobile apps, and password managers so background sync resumes. If you encounter errors or can't verify identity, use the account recovery flow or, for business accounts, contact your IT admin. They can reset your password or unlock your account. Keep one troubleshooting tip in mind. Check junk mail for verification codes.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.